Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. This is another edition of the auction Rover review series that I have going on here. And again, not a whole lot of interesting stuff going across the block recently, but this one kind of caught my attention, mostly because I'm not sure what's going on with the quality control of the people that review and give the CR scores or, the condition ratings for these cars, but this truck is an 06 L322 supercharged with 230,000 miles. It's sitting on the bump stops and has a 2.4 condition rating, which is about the condition rating that my truck that's running and driving and actually in really good condition had 2 years ago when I bought it from a dealer auction. And the other thing, which I didn't realize for a while until I kind of scrolled through it, was this thing was traded in at a dealer, which is even more interesting when you see the condition that both the interior and the exterior are in. And I usually am not one to rag on interior and exterior condition, but this one was conceived with hate almost. I'm not sure how. I've never seen an L322 interior look probably worse than this one. And it somehow managed to limp to a dealer to probably get traded in for an XF or something. Who knows? So let's check it out. There's nothing really major listed mechanically wrong in the description, the seller description, so I'm already red flags right there. As we can see, it's got the typical 322 bumper slam. We are all the way down on the bump stops with the air suspension. Looked like it had some type of grill at some point, which has come undone. Or else those are just LEDs. I'm not sure how that's wired. Look at that rusted burnout heap in the background. This side actually looks pretty decent. It's, there is something pretty attractive about a white L322. Oh yeah, missing a tail light completely. That might have been a freebie that was lost at the yard, or part of the diag that might have totaled this car, which this car is totaled anyway. That's missing the lens for the rear light. It's all kind of sunburnt and whatnot. This is a Texas truck, remember. It doesn't seem like there's any type of major rust or anything, but here we get into the interior, and this is where it gets interesting. Look at that armrest. I mean, what's going on there? I mean, did they sit on it for 200,000 miles? I'm seeing damage in places that I've just never seen damage before. I'm sure the leather steering wheel is chooched. We've got a concoction of wild cherry and black ice air fresheners going on. Oh, look, there's the rest of the armrest. And this kind of, this is the... Actually, look at those seats. Those don't look like supercharged seats. Interesting. Though it is an 06. All right, that makes sense. They don't have ventilated seats. So, yeah, those seats are correct. We've got his or her daughter still adorned on the dash of this 06 supercharged Range Rover. It doesn't show that it's on. It doesn't show that it's running. Usually they at least turn the key so the dash can light up. I'm not sure what that is. But there's really nothing on this one. Headliner, look at that. That headliner has been replaced. It is now gray. I don't know if that's a plus or a minus, people. It's just there. Engine bay, honestly, not terrible. It's got orange coolant in it. No rust that I can see around the shock towers that's too bad or anything. Battery's probably too small. But, so far it looks like it's complete for the most part. I don't see any real red flags there. Then you got the Porsche sunroof not completely closed, probably letting some water in. Not really helping the headliner situation either. So, yeah, and this thing's rough. It is very rough. It is not a buy it now. Oh, there's the key. So you get that famous soft touch area around those 06 key area. It's not good. So, yeah, this truck's worth negative money. Somebody, not even for a joke, I don't think I'd buy this unless it was mechanically good and used as a work truck or something, which would explain the damage, but this just has damage. Like I said, I'm not sure who the buyer is for some of these completely shot trucks, but someone will want it, so let me know in the comments.